My name's April Lee, and I had a hysterectomy.
My name is Betsy Reese. I had a hysterectomy when I was 27.
Hi, my name is Sherry, and I went through a surgical menopause 17 years ago.
I have struggled with hot flashes for years. I've had sweat, feeling like a microwave heating up on the inside.
I couldn't do the things I wanted to do. I could see it in my skin and my hair. I just felt like I was turning into a little old lady.
My symptoms became severe. I didn't know if I could ever feel well again. Now I'm able to be there for my loved ones, to do the work I love, and to just enjoy each and every day.
It was like a godsend. It was a total game changer for me. I felt like I was getting my youth back.
If you'll use the menopause method, it will really work for you. It's organic and it is amazing. I just cannot recommend it enough to you.